Hello children, I warmly welcome to this lesson, and the subject is geography, and this lesson is particularly developed for the students who are in grade 8. And this is your lesson 5, and now we are in the third unit. So we have come to the third unit. So we have completed our second unit and we have moved to the third unit, which is South Asia. So the objective of this unit is to study the location and the landscape of the South Asian region, which has diverse characteristics. So now I would like to give an introduction about the South Asian region. So South Asia is an exceptional geographical region. So as you know, South Asia is part of the Asian continent. So the biggest continent in the world is Asia. So South Asia is a part of it. And importantly, our country is also located in the South Asian region. This region is identified as a specific region due to its physical, human, and geographical features. So the Sundarban marshy land located at sea level and Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, located in this region are fine examples for diversity in topography. So we can see the diversity in topography. So here some examples mentioned. For example, Sundarban Marshland and also the Mount Everest, which is the highest peak in the world. And they are located in the South Asian region. So from these examples, you can understand the different features of topography. So the location of extremely cold areas and extremely warm areas, vegetation changing from dense forest to grasslands show the diversity of climate and vegetation in this region. So the impact of this diversity could be seen in human activities as well. So based on the impact of this diversity, and it has greatly influenced in human activities. So identify the location of South Asian region from map 3.1. So from this map we can identify the South Asian region. And you can see this map in your book. So when you watch this video, you have to open your textbook and go with the textbook. Then only you can get the clear picture of this lesson. So in your textbook, you can see this map in page number 30. So in this map you can see Arabian Sea right here, and Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, and you can see here Himalaya mountain range, and some countries here. So we will study further in detail about the topographic features. So now we will see the relative location of South Asian region. So let us identify the relative location of the South Asian region from the below map. So before that, we have to see what relative location is. So relative location refers to the position of a place or entity based on its location with respect to other locations. So you have studied about relative location in grade 7. So relative location is uh, we elaborate one location based on the other locations. So the other locations can be countries, continents, and oceans, seas, whatever. The region is bounded in the north by the Himalayas, in the south by the Indian Ocean, in the east by the Bay of Bengal, and in the west by the Arabian Sea. So in this map you can see this region is bounded in the north by Himalaya, and in the south by Indian Ocean, and east Arabian Sea, and here the west, in the west you can see the Bay of Bengal. So this is the relative location of South Asian region. So now we will see absolute location. So we can identify the absolute location of the South Asian region in the map. So what is absolute location? So I have thought about it in the classes as well. An absolute location describes the position of a place in a way that never changes. No matter your location, the location is identified by specific coordinates, right? So absolute location is the precise method of elaborating a place where it is located, and absolute location refers to a specific fixed point on the Earth's surface as expressed by a scientific coordinate system. And we have studied about the longitudes and latitudes. So absolute location is we need to elaborate, or we can indicate a particular location based on the latitudes and longitudes coordinates. The region spreads from the 0 degree, the equator, to 38 degree north latitude, the northern hemisphere, and 60 degree to 100 degree to 200 degree longitudes east. So in the map you can see, right? So the longitudes and latitudes are here. And from this map you can understand the absolute location. So here you can see from 60 degree to 100 degree, right, in the northern hemisphere. So now we will see about the countries which are located in the South Asian region. So what are the countries? India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, and Sri Lanka are the constituent countries in the South Asian region. So constituent means holding membership. And also Nicobar and Andaman Islands to belong to the South Asian region. Afghanistan has been awarded the membership of SAARC, but geographically it belongs to the Central Asia, right? Okay, and here you see Afghanistan holding the membership of the SAARC, but it geographically belongs to this Central Asia, right? The South Asian region possesses 3% of the total land area of the earth. Here you see the South Asian countries, and you can see the flags, and you can see this picture in your book as well. So go to the page number 32, and the countries' flags are depicted in this map, right? And first Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives, India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal. And the capital cities are also mentioned here. And for Pakistan, the capital city is Islamabad. For Nepal, Kathmandu. Bhutan, Thimphu. Bangladesh, Dhaka, right? So Maldives, Malé. Sri Lanka, Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte. So these are the capital cities of the countries. So this region is located to the north of the equator and has a tropical climate. So which type of climate does South Asian region belong to? The tropical climate. Some South Asian countries have a coastal belt, while Nepal and Bhutan are landlocked. So except Nepal and Bhutan, the other countries have coastal belt. So the Nepal and Bhutan are landlocked. So these countries do not have seas. So now we'll come to the exercise. So you need to write the heading South Asia and introduction. So the first question is, state 2 reasons that have made South Asia geographically exceptional region. So you need to mention the significance of South Asian region. Second one, explain what is relative location. So you need to write the definition for it. And the third one is state the relative location of South Asia. Fourth one, what is absolute location? The fifth, write the absolute location of South Asia. Sixth one, what's the total land area of the earth that the South Asian region possesses? So in a map, mark and name the South Asian countries. So you need to get a map and mark the South Asian countries, right? And then you can fix on your exercise book. Name the capital cities of the South Asian countries. So you need to draw a table on your exercise book. In the first column you write the countries, and in the second column you can mention the capital cities for the respective country. Ninth one, name 4 countries that mark the boundary of the South Asian region. So you need to name the countries which are the boundary of South Asian region. What is the largest country in this region? So you need to mention the largest country out of the 7 South Asian countries. And then what are the 2 landlocked countries of South Asian region? Then name the South Asian countries which have coastal belt. So these are the questions and you have to write them on your exercise book and answer the questions. So once you finished this exercise, send me your answers to my WhatsApp number. So I thank you so much for watching this video, and this is all about your South Asian region, and we will continue continue to study in the further lessons. Thank you again.